Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application. Then you should tap on gear icon here, select Import or Export Contacts, tap Allow, then select where from you want to import contacts, in our case from SIM card. Then you select where to phone storage. Here you can select contacts, for example you can select them all by here, and then tap OK, and these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.